Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I need you to follow this analogy carefully. So tonight, Maria won the head of house, right? And as soon as she won, she chose Boma as the deputy because Big Brother asked all of them to gather in the lounge. And after that was done, we know that Maria cannot go into the head of house room, right? So Boma has access to the head of house lounge. And of course, Boma chose Jackie B as the guest into the head of house lounge because Maria has been banned for 2 weeks from the head of house lounge.
Boma.
Boma,
Yes, big brother.
do you accept the role of deputy head of house?
Yes, big brother.
Congratulations.
Thank you, big brother.
Then Big Brother said it was time for the nominations. And as soon as Big Brother called Maria, he called Maria first. And he told Maria that, come on, there's a twist to this week's nomination. There will be no nomination, there will be no vote, and there will be no evictions on Sunday.
Big Brother would like you to listen carefully. This week, there are no nominations. Therefore, no public votes. Also, no evictions come Sunday.
Okay, big brother.
And then he told Maria not to let the housemates know that there will be no evictions on Sunday and that the 2 people who will be evicted on Sunday, she will be the one to choose them. And the people that she's going to choose, the 2 people she will choose will be the people who least impressed her during her reign as the head of house.
Maria,
Yes, big brother.
you are to convince the House that Big Brother has scrapped today's nominations and has given you the absolute power to evict 2 housemates on Sunday. Convince the House that the housemates who least impress you will be evicted.
Big brother, this is not fair.
So right now, what Big Brother is trying to do is to make sure that a lot of people impress her. There will be a lot of eye service for her so that she will not nominate them as the 2 people that will be leaving on Sunday. After Big Brother read out the whole instructions to her, she said she needed a moment to put herself together because she really needed to act everything out, act out the script that Big Brother has given to her. Remember that during the wild card, she also needed to act it out. Right now, Big Brother has chosen her again to act out the fact that there will be evictions on Sunday, even regardless of the fact that there will be no evictions on Sunday, right? And she has to keep that a secret and she has to nominate 2 people, even though the nomination will also be fake because nobody is going home as there will be no voting throughout this week from the fans.
No, but can you give me a moment just to be here for a second, please?
And then Maria walked back to the housemates crying. I'm like, what?
Guys, there'll be no nominations this week. I have to nominate people on Sunday. 2 people. But you guys have to impress me all week to be able to do that. They've given me a notepad to score you guys.
I mean, look at the housemates walking to her, trying to console her, and little do they know that this is all fake.
So the least 2 people who impress me, I'll have to nominate on Sunday. So none of you are nominating today.
Now I'm beginning to wonder how they're going to feel on Sunday when they found out that all this has been fake throughout and the whole things they tried to put their energy into had no results in view. Now my question is this: how do you think this will affect Maria's personality and the perception that the housemates have of her if they eventually find out on Sunday that everything that has happened has been fake, regardless of the fact that it was instruction from Big Brother? Thank you so much guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. Until next time I come with you very soon, it's bye for now.